Sayakhat barakanamize kasudena asubudunduze kederusbe bakuta boya özengere kelevşeter kase Sayakhat barakanamize kasudena asubudunduze kederusbe bakuta boya özengere kelevşeter kase Seen so many oceans, traveling across these seas. Soars high above these waters, you down from heavenlies. I've seen ocean waves cascading against that distant shore. I've felt the pain of anguish, the urge of wanting more, and oh, through it all I've learned to rise above, catching the right rhythm to tread the deep in love. Been swept away by currents, funneled through foreign lands. But through it all I've learned to let go, to love is unending vessel. Let it flow like water. Let it go, cause it's timeless. Hey joy, colorless yet beautiful. So let it flow like water. Let it go, cause it's timeless. Hey joy, colorless yet beautiful. Been overcome by waves, I got caught up in the rain. I've seen the storms approach, yeah. The sky above looks strange. Crossed back and forth down under and released into the skies. I've felt the pain of anguish and the cleansing of a cry. Channeled through contradiction, been caught up in some snares. Slipped through that condescending, detected unaware. Forged toward the straight and the narrow, veered from the beaten path, snuck through the dark and the dark.